Hey, what's up everybody? BMSLou here. Hope everyone's doing well. Short video today on my Fimi Palm. Been trying to figure this whole app thing out for this Fimi Palm here. This little gimbal that I recently got over the last week or so. I have an iPhone X and I recently downloaded the app for the Fimi Palm on the Apple App Store. And so I've been having issues getting connected to the Wi-Fi inside of the gimbal. So I want to give I guess my version of the video on how to do this if you're having problems. But I do want to first off give props to a couple people here. I watched a couple other videos online. So I want to give props to Still Life right here. He also has a Fimi Palm and he's done some videos on this camera as well, so check him out. I've talked to him a couple times through his videos and he's replied to me very quickly. So just definitely want to give props and thanks to him. And then also this guy right here, Dad Random, also had mentioned some tips on how to connect to Wi-Fi here on his video. You can see I haven't watched the whole thing quite yet, but when he started off talking about it, it got me to thinking right off the bat, maybe I should try that too. And so I did. So I want to give props to him as well. I did not reach out to him, but I'm all for spreading the love and giving props to people if they help me out. So here's my video on how to do this, which is kind of basically what Mr. Still Life had mentioned to me, what I should try. And then also kind of does seem like what Dad Random was talking about. So I have my Fimi Palm on here, so I'm going to go over here, turn on my Wi-Fi up here in the top left. I'm going to turn that on. So we have that all prepared and set. There's two different versions of the Wi-Fi, 5.8 and 2.4. I'm going to put mine on 5.8, which is now what it's on there. So that's where we're at with this. Now I'm going to go into my camera on the phone. So let's go into the camera on the phone right now. All right, here we are. I am doing a screen recording again from my Apple iPhone 10. So right up here in the top left, you'll see the airplane mode, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and then the green button, which is the cellular or data button. Seems like I need to turn that off to be able to connect to the gimbal. So I'm turning that off, which is what I just done. It's no longer green, so that is now off. Now you can see here at the bottom right, not the very, very bottom, but kind of near the bottom, say 4 o'clock on my phone here, the purple app icon, the Fimi Play app. I want to open that. So I want to go ahead and open that here. Enter device. Maybe I didn't quite want to do that, but I'm going to go ahead and touch on this white drop down here and say connect. Should take me to the Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to go to the Wi-Fi here. You can see I have my home Wi-Fi on there now. So I'm waiting for my phone to bring up the Fimi Palm Wi-Fi. And right here it is in the middle of the screen. It says Palm _ 4E010C. I'm going to tap on that. And this is very weird because every time I do this, it comes up like this. It has the blue check mark and it says no internet connection. I just don't get it. I don't understand what that's telling me or why it's telling me that. And if you go to the right of that, you'll see there's a lock as well as an exclamation point. I don't understand what that exclamation point is saying. Maybe it's saying that there's no internet connection. But nonetheless, I'm going to go back to the app. I did not touch anything. That little white box went away on its own. So now I'm going to try to connect now. Okay, that's coming back down. Now it's going back to the Wi-Fi. So I'm still trying to figure out why sometimes this connects and why sometimes it doesn't. This is kind of weird because I did this before I recorded this video and I did get on. Let me just turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it back on. It's back onto the Palm. I'm going to go back to the app. Hit connect. Okay, see, this is driving me crazy. Why will this not connect? I'm going to check out. See, my cellular is still off. Okay. I just don't get it. Why it will not connect now when it was just connected before when I did this. Same exact thing. It feels like I did the same exact thing. Another thing that bothers me is why is this saying that my connection will be under the Wi-Fi name palm_xxxxxx with the default password, and that Wi-Fi name never comes up ever on my phone. The only Palm that comes up is this 4E010C, which is the number that matches my gimbal on the screen. But I'm going to shut the app down and go back into it. Maybe that is the issue. Let's try this. Let's try going into the app now and see if it connects. Enter device. All right. Okay. I mean, maybe you need to be on the Wi-Fi before you can enter the device. I'm going to put my hands across the camera. There you go. So you can tell now we are actually using the Wi-Fi or using the app. Yeah. So that's my experience. This may be something, I don't even know what to tell you, but all my firmware is up to date. They need to make that simpler. Really frustrating, but this is just kind of how my experience has been. Again, I want to give thanks to the two YouTubers, Dad Random and Strill Life. Check out their channels, and I appreciate you guys watching my channel. And I have more videos on my experiences with the Fimi Palm, which again I've had for like a week, and I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Please like, share, comment. I'm real good at getting back at comments. So all right, we will see you on the next video, and I will talk to you later. All right, bye-bye now.